Hello and welcome to this tutorial on validating position data in DocBits. Today, we will focus on the AI Extracted Table tab that you can find in the validation window at the bottom right. We will briefly mention other sections like the Extracted Table tab and AI tags, but these will be covered in more detail in upcoming videos. The AI Extracted Table displays the data automatically extracted by our AI. Each column represents a specific attribute identified in the document. If any of these attributes are incorrect, you can easily modify them. Simply click the drop-down menu in the Attribute field and select a different attribute. This allows you to map the data accurately. If needed, you can also delete an entire column by clicking on the three dots in the Attribute field. Now, let's look at the buttons in the bottom toolbar, from right to left. The first button allows you to undo changes, such as deleting a column. The next button lets you ignore the validations made by DocBits. The following button enables you to add a new row. The button next to it allows you to create a new column. The next button lets you delete the entire table. The following button blocks table extraction for this specific supplier. The next button reveals hidden columns. The button after that displays columns that are mapped but not filled. Finally, the leftmost button switches to the table extraction view. We will explore this feature in the video on manual table extraction. That's all for this tutorial on the AI extracted table. In the next videos, we will take a closer look at the extracted table and AI tags. Thank you for watching, and see you next time with more tips and tricks on DocBits.